sings. আত্মনিবেদন তুয়া পদে করি হইনু পরম সুখী।
আত্মনিবেদন তুয়া পদে করি হইনু পরম সুখী।
আমার দুঃখ দূরে গেল, চিন্তা না রহিল, চৌদিয়ে আনন্দ দেখি। আর দুঃখ দূরে গেল,
চিন্তা না রহিল, চৌদিকে আনন্দ দেখি।
অশোক ভয় অমৃত আধার, তোমার চরণ ভয়। তাতে কোন বিশ্রাম লভিয়া ছাড়িনু ভবের ভয়।
তাতে কোন বিশ্রাম লভিয়া ছাড়িনু ভবের ভয়।
তোমার সংসারে করিব সেবন, নহিব ফলের ভাগী।
তোমার সংসারে করিব সেবন, নাহিব ফলের ভাগী।
তোমার সংসারে করিব সেবন, নহিব ফলের ভাগী।
তোমার সংসারে করিব সেবন, নাহিব ফলের ভাগী।
তব সুখ যাহি করিব যতন, হয় পদে অনুরাগী। তব সুখ যাহি
করিব যতন, হইব অনুরাগী।
তোমার সেবায় দুঃখ হয়ে যত, সেও তো পরম সুখ।
তোমার সেবায় দূর হয় যত, সেব পরম সুখ।
সেবা সুখ দুঃখ পরম সম্পদ, নাশই অবিদ্যা দুঃখ। সেবা
সুখ দুঃখ পরম সম্পদ, নাশয়ে অবিদ্যা দুঃখ।
পূর্ব ইতিহাস ভুলিনু সকল, সেবা সুখ প্রেমনে।
পূর্ব ইতিহাস ভুলিনু সকল,
সেবা সুখ প্রেমনে। আমি তো তোমারো, তুমি তো আমারো, কি কাজ পরধনে। আমি তো তোমারো,
তুমি তো আমার
ভক্তি বিনোদ আনন্দে ডুবিয়া, তোমার সেবার তোরে। ভক্তি
বিনোদ আনন্দে ডুবিয়া, তোমার সেবার তারে।
সব চেষ্টা করি তব ইচ্ছা মতো, থাকিয়া তোমার ধরে। সব চেষ্টা করে
সবার ইচ্ছা মতো থাকিয়া তোমার তারে।
So this is a nice song of Atmanivedana Saranagati, complete surrender, complete dedication. When one becomes like that, then he becomes free from all chaos and anxieties. All distress gone, all unhappiness gone. He feels himself happy, joyful. You understand? That he says. You have a translation? Read it.
I have become supremely joyful by surrendering myself at your holy feet. Unhappiness has gone away, and there are no more anxieties.
No more anxiety. This material world, Sakuntha Jagat, is full of chaos and anxieties. Unless you completely surrender at the lotus feet of Lord Hari or Krishna, you cannot be free from this, definitely. This is the only means here. Completely surrender the lotus feet of Lord Hari or Krishna. Then all your cares, anxiety is gone. Then you will be blissful, peaceful, joyful, happy. Yes.
I see joy in all directions.
I see joy in all direction. Chaudhiye ananda dekhi. How he sees joy in all direction? This is dukhalaya. These are only suffering here. Isn't it? No happiness. Only misery here. How that person who is completely surrendered at the lotus feet of Krishna, he sees only joy in all direction. How it is? What sort of vision is and what he sees? How is it?
Says Krishna.
His vision is completely different vision. Do you understand? He sees the beautiful lotus feet of Krishna everywhere. Nothing else. And that Krishna is all beautiful, Krishna is all blissful, Krishna is all joyful. Sachidananda Vigraha. Is Sachidananda Vigraha. Is Sanmaya, Chinmaya, Anandamaya. Only Ananda is there. Unless you see Krishna, how can you be joyful? How can you see all direction joy and blissfulness? Unless one sees Krishna. That is his vision. Therefore he says, Chaudhi Ananda Dikhi. I see only joyfulness in all direction. Yes. Understand? Yes. Then?
Your two lotus feet are reservoirs of immortal nectar, where one may live free from sorrow and fear. I have found peace there now, and have given up the fear of worldly existence.
Ashoka abhaya amruta adhar, tomar charan daya, tahate ekhono vishram labhyan chadinu bhaver bhaya. O Lord Hari, O Lord Krishna, your two lotus feet such, there is no fear, place of fearlessness, no lamentation, no fear, no death. This place of deathlessness, or what is a place of immortality. Amruta, only nectar is there. Tahate ekhono vishram labhya chadinu bhaver bhaya. Taking shelter there, the place of fearlessness, no lamentation, no fear of death, only nectar. Taking shelter there, I am now completely free from all worldly chaos and anxieties and fearfulness. Otherwise, nobody will be free from this chaos and anxieties and fearfulness. This prapancha is material world. This only means here. Then?
I shall render service in your household, and not endeavour to enjoy the fruits of that service.
তোমার সংসারে করিব সেবন নহিব ফলের ভাগী তব সুখ যায় করিব যতন হয়ে পদে অনুরাগী. The one who takes shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna, he no longer belongs to this material world. He belongs to Vaikuntha Jagat. Do you understand? Krishna's world. Do you understand? Tumar sansar is Krishna's world. It's not Maya sansar. Understand my language? It's not Maya sansar. It's not this material world. It's Tumar sansar. Who is with Krishna, who is engaged day and night, 24 hours in the loving service of Krishna, is he in Maya sansar? He's no longer in Maya sansar, he's in Krishna sansar. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Tumar sansare kariva sevan. I will serve you in your sansar, in your jagat, that Vaikuntha jagat. Your kingdom, nahiva pholer bhagi. What says?
It says, I'll read again. I shall render service in your household and not endeavour to enjoy the fruits of that service.
Yes. Naiva phalar bhagi. I will only render service unto you, give you all pleasure, enjoyment. I'll never expect from anything, any fruit, in exchange of my service for myself. That is what you understand. I'll render service to you. I'll give you all enjoyment, all happiness. I'll serve you, but in exchange, I never expect anything from you for myself. Now you follow bhagi. Do you understand? But here in material world, all work and expect result. I'll do this thing and then I'll get this thing. I'll enjoy it. But in Krishna sansar, there is no personal enjoyment. To give all enjoyment to Krishna, Lord Hari. And not a servant never expects anything in return in exchange of service. Do you understand? Prahlad Maharaj says, Oh Lord, those who render service to you at the same time, they expect something from you. They are not real servants. Nanyathati akhila guru ghatita karunatmanam dastu asisya asasti nasa bhrutyo savai banik. Prahlad Maharaj. Nasa bhrutyo savai banik. O Jagat Guru, O Master of the whole world, spiritual Master of the whole world, O Bhagavan, O Lord, you are so merciful towards your devotees. You don't, you are very auspicious. You don't want it. Your devotees should be put in inauspiciousness. On the other hand, one who serves you, but in exchange wants something from you for himself, he is not a servitor. He is not a devotee. Rather, he is a, businessman. Bonik. Nasa bhrutyo savai bonik. He is not servitor. Rather, he is a businessman who does business, monetary transaction, giving, taking. I'll give this thing, I'll take this thing. He is not a servant, rather he is a businessman. You understand? That is said. Because he wants something in exchange of his service from you. He is not a servant. He is not a bhakta. Rather